Kaporo dhi nyime ni kocha mar tim mar adhula mar KCB Patrick Odhiambo nyiso geno mare ni tim no dhi medo yudo loch e tukegi mag lig sechegi magi dhi rakore kod Ulinzi Stars e alap ma Police Sacco Stadium Jumapil. KCB no oseloyo tukene 2 e kind adek magisegoyo season ni kae tugo achiel ne gidhi amodhi kod Kariobangi Sharks. Koloso e kar goyo rako margi ma Karen, Odhiambo medo ni Ulinzi en tim motegno kendo gigeno mar yudo piem mager e tukgi ma Jumapil.
Ulinzi kawaida ni wapinzani wagumu sana na mechi najua itakuwa ngumu kulingana na matokeo yale hawajapata mazuri kuanzia tangu ligi. So tunajua mchezo utakuwa mgumu, lakini tunajaribu kujikidi kufanya mazoezi ili tuweze kurekebisha mahali tuko na itilafu kidogo. Na inshallah tunajua tutapata matokeo.
I think confidence inaenda kigrow. Ukiangalia tulianza na Sharks tukapata draw, tumekuja tukawin game 2 zikifuatana, na I think inafaa tuendelee kuput in more effort because Ulinzi is not a weak team, is a very strong team and we respect each and every opponent, and I think approach yetu ni kuendelea kuwork hard at least to get maximum points, then we tackle an opponent at a time.